Today is Monday, and that is important because it's the first day back after Chinese New Year holidays. So everyone's kind of back at work, back at school, and it also means that the estate agents are back. So I can find somewhere to live. I've got 2 viewings today, one at 11, one at 2, and they're both very close to the university. I'm kind of looking forward to seeing what they're actually like inside, as it might be somewhere I'm be staying for a whole year. That's the plan. Lovely day today, not too hot, not too cold. Been up pretty much all night because of mosquitoes. Killed like 5 or 6 of them over the course of the night. Just hearing them buzzing in my ears is just so horrible. But I'm going to find some breakfast and then see where that takes us. When you come as a student to China with a student visa, you basically get a 30-day visa that needs to be converted into a residence permit, and the residence permit kind of acts as your long-term visa to be able to stay in the country, and you can also have multiple entries as well. But to get that, you need certain forms from the university that they provide, and you also need to do a health medical checkup thing from an approved centre. So I'll be doing that in between the 2 house viewings. Hopefully I'm all healthy, hopefully. If they find anything, I don't know, they'll just send me home maybe, I don't know. I think they do it because getting a student visa is probably quite a cheap, easy way to potentially access decent medical care in the country. If you're ill, you can just get a student visa, pretend to study at university, come into the country and just go straight to the hospital and get treated. So they probably do it to check that that's not the main reason why you're here, and that you are in fact healthy. There are a lot of these electric scooters which you can buy for a couple £100, but I was kind of under the impression that they were illegal in Guangzhou and most major cities. But yeah, I guess it's just not policed.
Electric bikes are actually legal if they follow the correct standards. Their speed needs to be limited to 25 kilometers per hour or less. They need to be certified and they need registration/license plate. It's actually petrol and gas powered bikes that are widely banned across the country.
I walked down here yesterday and there was lots of open food places, all of these little cafes here, which is probably like the main place where people go get lunch outside the uni. I'm gonna go for some meat buns because they look good. This is one of the entrances to the little, I guess, community that one of the buildings is in. And it's actually super lovely and green. Got your lockers for deliveries and charging your electric bikes. Got a gigantic swimming pool, which isn't full. I do wonder whether that would be full at any point, because that would be quite nice to swim in. And the building is that one over there. I'm gonna find somewhere to sit down first and eat this greasy but delicious looking meat bun fried pancake thing and give a little review of it. Okay. Meat bun, fried, absorbed a lot of oil. Looks kind of nice. Looks like you'll probably do with a bit of sauce. Okay. So it's got a crispy on the outside, but the steamed kind of dough hasn't been fully fried, so it's like really nice and soft on the inside. And the meat, I think it looked like beef, but it's definitely pork. It's like a little oniony, leaky. The fat in the meat was melted a little bit into the into the bread as well. Nicely seasoned too. A little peppery. Bloody good. Don't think I can have this every day though, it's a bit heavy. I think I'll need to find something healthy, healthy to alternate my days with. And I forgot to mention, it was 6 yuan, which is 70 pence. The first agent has said that he's going to come down, or she, I'm actually not sure, he's going to come down and pick me up and show me to the room. I just hope it's like nicer than my hotel room. I'm not sure what that's about. Oh, I'm being called. Hello? Oh, being called again. Hello, ni hao. I think I see you. Yeah, I see you. I'll come over to you. Bro's just walking away from me. Funny. Okay.
This one is
Okay.
big.
Yeah, very big. Okay. I look around. Seems nice. Big.
Yeah, that's small.
Yeah.
Small, yeah.
Okay, sure. That's the first one. Big's alright. Okay. Just a little small. I think the big one is definitely better. I can definitely see myself staying in this one a bit more, especially with all the nice light. I think this one is 3,600, just under 400 pounds. But the space is good. The space is good. All the space for stuff. Can like have a drying rack, 2 sinks, even the cooker. It's better than the smaller one. I don't think I'll go for the smaller one. Naturally, the hardest mattress you've ever felt in your whole life. I could edit videos here, for sure. How to. It's nice. Like, it is a nice one. It's just really grey, isn't it? It's just really grey. I'm not sure what I expected viewing 2 studio apartments as well. I don't know why I booked the next viewing so much later. So I've just moved it forward to in 30 minutes. I'm gonna go head over there now. Just see how it compares. I mean, I don't think it's gonna be as big, but I don't know, could be surprised. This next place has a gym and a common area. I walked past it yesterday and it looks like there's the entrance of a lobby, like a hotel, instead of like an apartment block like this. One thing I'm a little bit worried about with this place, it's a bit far away from the subway. It's about a 15-minute walk. And it's fine now, but in the heat of summer, that could become a problem quickly. Because I do sweat, I am human. The other thing I noticed yesterday, there weren't too many restaurants and cafes around this next apartment block. So that could get annoying, especially if I wanted something quick. I'll have to walk in the heat a bit. Don't know if I'm keen for that. Even just going off that basis, I'm kind of leaning towards the big room. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see what the costs are like. That one I think was 3,600 a month. This one, I think they start at like 3,000 and they probably do go up to 3,600. But there might be something at like 3,200 mark that is actually really quite nice. kitchen. Okay. I asked for a bigger one, so let's see. This one's definitely bigger. Okay. 6th floor, washer. I will think. Sorry.
OK。
Okay, okay.
这个是3700。
Okay. If I'm honest, I was quite a bit less impressed with that one. Just like, I thought it would be more decorated with some nicer things in it, but as you saw, they were pretty empty. The first one was 3,200. To be honest, just way too small. I'll feel pretty suffocated in that. The second one was bigger and nicer, but it was 3,700, which is more expensive than that one. I think I maybe just go for the big one. I mean, is it enough to just view 2? Probably not, but at the same time, I am kind of happy with that one. It was cool. I don't know. Oh yeah, my people. My people with the badminton. Wow. That was a pretty painless experience. I'm now the renter of a fantastic apartment. Look at this view. Never mind the dirty windows. And I think he was actually pointing at those rails up there for me to dry my clothes on, which is insane. I ain't gonna do that. I'm gonna reach out the window, fall down. I'll be dead. What do I need? I need bedding. Just normal amenities. God, there's loads of storage. It's insane. This is great. Put my suitcase in there. Put my badminton stuff in there. Ain't no drawers though. Looks like it's gonna be piles of underwear and socks. Should I get a TV? Just for that? Should I? Could I? I could. I don't know. That works. How do you flush it? Hello? Toilet flush. Oh my god. It's on the side. Oh. Incredible. That'll do, I think. They always got to be wet rooms, but, you know, it is what it is. I'm pretty happy with it. Nice. And that's that. That's that. I've officially got an apartment in China for a year. Feels a bit weird, not gonna lie. Let's see how life is here.